What's happening there? What up, YouTube? I'm sorry, I was getting some pulled up on my phone because we have something to show y'all. The pre-orders are now live. Hold on, let me switch this back over because I don't like when it does it. There we go. The pre-orders are now live for our bot. Go ahead, come down here and show you. So this bot trades a variety of things, but what's recommended in the package when you get the bot is to trade CAD JPY, XAUUSD, NASDAQ 100 USD, Bitcoin, Euro USD, and NZD JPY. All right. Now, CAD JPY is going to be on the 15-minute time frame. XAU is going to be on the 1 minute. NASDAQ is going to be on the 5 minute. Bitcoin is going to be on the 15 minute. Euro USD is going to be on the 1 hour. And NZD JPY is going to be on the 30 minute. Now, that's what is advertised as far as the crazy win rates and things like that. That's, you know what I'm saying, when you put it on how it's supposed to be put on, you do the setup right. We include the setup guide. All of that comes with the bot. So as long as you follow the setup guide, how it's laid out, you know what I'm saying, you'll be fine. And right today alone, you know what I'm saying, gold's made about $100. You can see all the trades. It's built to be able to be used with whatever sized account. It's not taking super big size trades or anything like that. It's not incurring crazy amounts of drawdown or anything like that. The recommended account size for using the bot is about minimum $1,000. You can buy it and put it on a $500 account. It's just recommended that you let it trade, a little less while it's building up, right? So you would have it on maybe one or two like CAD JPY and Euro USD. You know what I'm saying? You'd have it on a more passive start, and then as you scale up, then you can start adding in having it trade all of these assets that we've talked about to this point. So just to give a little bit of an overview, I'll go to CAD JPY 15-minute. It's live, so I can't like edit the video. I can't edit the video or nothing like this is all live. We're just going through the stats the stats are building. As you can see, we're still it. You don't have. I'm showing you guys right here. You don't have to be winning all of your trades. You don't even have to be winning 30% of your trades in order to be profitable and be making money if you have a good risk management plan. And this bot is built with probably one of the best risk management plans ever formulated for an algorithm. That's why it can win only 29% of its trades and still be up $231 on the day. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, you can see the trades here. You know what I mean? Like, it's not like super massive wins and losses. We're talking $100 up and down, $90 up and down, $80 up and down. It's just the right risk management, losses being cut short, wins extended, little things like that our algorithm is able to incorporate. But I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna get rid of this for this live because we're not really worried about that. I do have it still up. Don't worry, guys. We're not gonna miss out or anything like that. Let me get that. There we go. That's fully up, so I can see if that takes a trade. But for the most part, I like to have mine running because I already have it running on my accounts. I like to have the bot running on gold and CAD JPY the most. I've had it running on all of them, not simultaneously, just because it's new, and I'm trying to still. I mean, we've been back testing it for about 6 months. You know what I mean? But I'm so meticulous of a person that I'm still super tracky about everything. So I'm really trying to stay updated. I mean, I made it, so I have to stay as updated as possible on, maybe if it falls out of whack, maybe market conditions make it start acting different, and I don't want that to, I'm saying, hurt my traders or anybody that purchases or anything. So I have to stay ahead of the curve, and it comes with, when you purchase it, you have updates. So if something happens in the bot, I'm saying, like messes up or anything like that, that me, the guy that created it, is on top of it, and it'll be updated. And if any if any comes with a risk, warning that you do have the ability to lose money with this. But that's why we spent so much time back testing and really getting the algorithm to understand precision trading and its foundation and its core. You know what I'm saying? So it's able to just sit around and just ta 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 trade all day. It's basically doing what would happen if I was sitting at the charts and staring at them all day and just taking unlimited amount of trades. So, and that was the goal, to just make it so I would have to do less things, you know. But inadvertently, we've taken all of the work out of trading for the public, just like that. So pre-orders are live for that. Like I said, if you wanna get the pre-order is 40% off the launch price. The launch price is $9.97. The pre-order is $4.97. So if you'd like to get that, then go to TDB Finance on Instagram. It's at TDB_finance on Instagram. Hit us up, and you can get involved with that. Now, my team, my guys, don't worry about that. Y'all ain't gotta, you know what I'm saying? Y'all ain't gotta pay for that. Y'all already, you feel me? Y'all already done went through the work and everything. But see, it pays to be in the cool kid circle. But before we get started on talking about these charts real quick, let me go ahead and send this live out so everybody knows I'm live and nobody misses the value. Take my hair down for a little bit. Have my hair up all night. Well, let's send this live out real quick, and we're gonna get started. Hey, didn't my girl do such a good job? She did. Oh snap! I'm sorry. I didn't even see your comments. I forgot to toggle over to having all the comments up. What up, youngin? What up, youngin? It's been a minute. I ain't been on the game because I've been, locked in, trading, running the company and everything. But I do plan on getting another system soon after some time frees up, and I'll be back on the game. I'm gonna be using the same Activision account, so I'm gonna have you on there. But let me get this sent out. Just a second, y'all. How's life been, kid? On my team, I gotta apologize again. There's a bunch of stuff I'm getting together in these last couple of mornings, so that's why we haven't been on the Zoom for as long. I be in the personal meeting. I meant to tell y'all, just hop back on the personal meeting link. Same little setup. The last one I sent, just go back to the same one. I'm probably gonna pin it somewhere, or text it to y'all separately, so y'all have that since we're moving over to doing that before these. But wanted to make sure I acknowledge that because this live right here isn't gonna be all that long. NASDAQ just opened not long ago. Let me go ahead and have that pulled up real quick. Bam! That's an entry right there. That's a heck of an entry. I don't want to buy it though. That's a heck of an entry, but I don't want to buy it though. I think we end up down here. I think markets sell off more. Like it's an entry, but I don't want to buy it. Forward that to the free chat and the birds up updates, and then make sure my guys got it. I want to see. I ain't gonna lie. I honestly, oops, almost knocked over my mic. I honestly want to see. Let me go on a higher time frame. I want to see NASDAQ come down to this 2,800 level that we've had here for like freaking weeks. We've had this here forever. Thought we'd get clearance of here, but you know, you got shadow banned. I'm weak. Send me your account on Discord. Aren't you in? You're in Nerd Discord, right? Send your account in Nerd Discord, and I'm follow you. Sorry y'all. I gotta send this out to a lot of places because we got a lot of chats and whatnot. Got the Discord chats. We got the Telegram chats. You can get into the Discord chat with the link in the description of like all of our videos, and then the Discord chat is at the top of the YouTube channel. So it's really a matter of preference. I don't recommend everybody join every single chat because all the same information. Well, not all of the same information. The free chats versus the VIP chats, of course, get more or less information. But as far as like Discord free chat, Telegram free chat, take your pick. Granted, I will say there is more trades sent in the Telegram free chat. You and Rob? Well, I'm in Rob's too. Just send it in Rob's. I'm in all the chats. But yeah, I'd love to see this level get touched. Like, it's probably some buyers about to get wiped at this level because they want it. They want it bad. Some bigger individuals probably are gonna just be able to hold it. Down here, probably gonna get the same exact scenario. I feel like this is where good news is at. Like, bad things happen, and then like ceasefire or something like that. You know, I've learned in doing this for so long that like our world is really fabricated, and by that I mean like I'll see it's so often where price ends up in a perfect POI, and then the most random crazy news that supports that POI, comes out. And we're in this, technically we're an institution now. So I mean, granted, there's retail traders with probably more equity than us for sure. But by definition and how we what we're doing, I'm sorry that the chat caught me off guard. I'm a little individual. Yeah, I know you're short. Dude. Sorry, that threw me off, chat. But essentially, I don't want to ramble on too much. Essentially, things end up happening a little bit too perfect in these markets, And as an institution, seeing it and seeing it play out so much over and over and over and over again, that's why it's like second nature now. You know what I mean? It's like if I was taught precision trading from the jump, somebody brought me my course when I first started trading, I probably would have clicked a lot faster. You know what I mean? I can say that with a lot of years in this, like if I got the knowledge I'm giving out, and it's like, yeah, it may be a little biased because it's my knowledge and it's how I figured out how to do it, but we took a long time trying to because at first I didn't even really like, for a while I didn't have a pronounced system that I was using. It was just a matter of like, oh yeah, it's going up, oh yeah, it's going down, oh yeah, I like this area, oh yeah, I don't like this area. But I was winning almost every trade. And it's not that I wasn't following rules, it's just that I was doing it for so long that my rules were so ingrained, it was like second nature. I wasn't really thinking about it or putting words to it like that. You know what I mean? Now, on the fundamental side, that never really changes too much. It's just a matter of, you go with the fundamentals, but how you interpret them and what you, and where you get them from, definitely varies. That's why we built the bird's eye view tool, so you can just go in there, type in Euro USD or USD JPY, and then hit analyze, and it's gonna tell you neutral, bullish, bearish. It's gonna tell you what to do. If it's neutral, don't trade. If it's bullish, you know what to do. You know what I mean? And vice versa on the bear side. But going back to my previous point, this stuff here is mad fabricated. So, at the risk of being wrong in the medias, I'm gonna put out a little itty bitty eensy beensy prediction that when this level gets touched, some really, really, really good news is gonna happen in the market. 2,800 gets touched, like it might be some bad news and then good news right when the 28 level get 2,800 level gets touched. But I'm willing to stake a little bit of my credibility on this level being a positive day fundamentally, and we get a good bounce. I know that's where I'm getting in. Personally, I'm gonna have a tight stop up under this little area here, and if it fails, then I'll just be looking for this 20,200 level. But and for me and my market psychology, the reason why it's marked red is because of the fact that I think that if that level gets breached and doesn't hold price up, then it's scary for the markets, and then investors start to get a little more panicky, and then you start seeing more sell-off. So that's kind of like what I see as like a sell catalyst point if we do sell off to that point. But I think we get this nice pullback to this beautiful 20,800 level, and then we start seeing some momentum from there. You hungry, son? Fat self. My boy getting chunky, y'all. Ooh, my boy getting chunky. They said it, but I ain't know until, I experienced it. That breast milk, that's junk like steroids, y'all. Hey, listen, guys, if she can do it, if she want to do it, do it. Natural breastfeed. If she can do it and want to do it, do it. I'm so serious. Because this boy is, I'm talking about, he's swole. My son ain't got no neck, y'all. Nah, I'm just playing. I'm just playing. But nah, he definitely a chunky little boy. just over. He's just over a month. He's like he just hit 6 weeks. So, and he he like 3 months. I ain't gonna lie to you, that boy big. Send your Twitch and your card name. Yeah, nah, that's fine. Send whatever. I'll follow you. It's all good, gang. But back to the show. We're not seeing. Oh, we got a little more. We got a little more selling since we started chatting here just a little bit. Yep. See that level getting violated. Level violated. It gave a little teeny tiny bounce. Go down to the uno momento. Gotta move that. I keep knocking that stand. Still hear me well? Yeah. Yeah, a little itty bitty bounce. I wouldn't recommend. I mean, like, listen, you can trade buys if you want to. Micro, 1 minute. You know, my bot's gonna be doing it. I'm not saying it's impossible to make money, but me personally, I'm not trading anything until it gets down to those levels. As far as like anything on NASDAQ, like I'm cool with everything going on. For me, safety. It's where it's at. We just hit TP. Ooh, we just hit TP. Ooh, we just hit TP, y'all. Hold on. Let me tell the guys. Oil, TP, hit, close, wait for another, and Drake. Let me go ahead and oh snap. Okay, so guys, my time is running out. I have to go make a run out. I'm sorry because I have a conference today and I have to go get some things before that conference and whatnot. So let me go to. Well, let me let y'all know real quick. Okay, so I want this level to get tapped again. I ain't gonna lie. I want this. Let me move this. Move this. I want this whole little box to get smooched. If not even a little lower. Like 6,800 is what I want. What I really want. So tell me what you want, what you really want. Yeah. I want that to get violated. So I'm thinking possible easing of what's going on. We'll let that cool down a little bit. If not, then we'll see a break of all this, a push off, and then we'll just catch the retracement and continuation. Real easy, real simple, like, and then glad I closed that CAD JPY this morning. Jesus, my intuition be intuitioning. This low here could get broken. We've had that level there for a good little while. We can see that get touched, and then I'll be interested in buys again, but that'll be really heavily correlated with how oil is moving. But as you can see, they slightly diverged a little bit, which will probably help oil get down into levels for us to buy at the same time that CAD JPY is headed for good levels for us to buy. And then I keep saying the stop loss malleable, y'all. If y'all put the stop loss that I put on this chart on y'all, that ain't my fault. I told y'all can go rewind it. I say this is malleable. This is not my real stop loss. It's not like the quotes. It's not even the exact quotes from my broker. It's just kind of a general area for y'all. But if you stayed in like you were supposed to, you be in a little bit of profit. GP NZD is in a little bit of profit. Let me show y'all. Oh wait, let me go ahead and TP on oil. Just show y'all, cause like we showing all the same trades on the lives. You feel me? So you can go back through the lives and see all of this, getting done up. So I'm TPing on oil now. Both I'm TPing on both entries, y'all. Cause the guy's got another entry. And then I have multiple entries on GP and ZD. See, like on the chart, it's in a little bit of profit, but one of my entries is in a little bit of drawdown. You know what I'm saying? And I'm pretty sure that was the first entry that is supposed to line up with that. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I mean? That's why I said like, it's all malleable. See right there, that's the GP and ZD trade there. Like I said, when y'all seeing me set up trades, try to give it a little bit of room. Sorry. But let me go ahead and wrap this up. I want to go ahead and look at, I just want to look at Euro USD real fast. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And the level for that's gonna be, let's get this broken here, and then we're in buys. Probably ready for buys once this low gets broken here, because retail's gonna want to buy right. Retail's buying right now. You know what I'm saying? Retail's about to buy right now, and then institutions are gonna sell heavy. Bam, take their stop losses out. Then they're gonna close those sales and they're gonna buy it. That's how it's about to go. Okay. All right. I love y'all. Make sure you're kind to somebody today. Hit that like button, hit that sub button, and that bell icon so you get notified when we drop more videos and every single time I go live. All right. I'm out here. Peace.